Good morning, guys.
Sean's been waiting for this for ages.
Not really, but you know what I was about to wait for S10.
Yeah, you were just opening it up before we.
Yeah. I've been patient with this one.
Anyway,
So
Sean has bought himself a new camera.
we've had an upgrade.
I'll show you.
This is G7X Mark III.
But first, cue
The intro. So, this camera, go for the specs first. Where they are. GA processor, none of this means anything to me. CMOS sensor, 20 megapixels, touchscreen, 4K, which is the main reason I got it, and a mic jack, which is the main reason I got it as well. Yes. So this is the unboxing.
But what size of the mic jack is it? Because we may run into a problem if it's the wrong size.
I would have thought it would be standard.
Standard could also be 2.5. Well, we'll find out soon. We'll find out.
Yeah, I'm nervous now. Right. So, instructions. Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'll read them because we're bound to need them.
Yeah, right. Rubbish.
That's not rubbish, that's your warranty card.
Charger, which I would have got one of, but
Does it charge any differently? Like
no, it charges the same batteries as this one.
Okay.
Currently, we're using the SX730HS, so bit of an upgrade. Same battery, but normal stuff. Right now, I like to be different, so I went for the silver. Oh, and a strap I won't use.
Yes, I'm sure silver is complete now. All that booklet, and there's like 5 pages in English.
Exactly, that's why I don't need it. You ready?
No,
Da,
I'm
da,
ready.
da, 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 da.
That doesn't look silver.
This is silver, but the whole thing's not silver, which is, I know. Oh, do you mind giving me a memory card out of the bag?
Going to unbox it.
Yeah, whatever. Right,
We're
battery.
doing the big heavy duty review and everything in the next video.
Yes, when our stuff arrives, if it arrives today.
All the stuff.
I've ordered like a mini mic that goes in here for vlogging, and then like a rig that you can put like a cold shoe mount on. Like it's got a cold shoe mount on it here, because this doesn't have one.
And what, have you ever used a cold shoe on film?
Not a cold, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I mean, not what?
Hmm?
So you can put like mod friend bits on it on top.
Yeah. No, on top here.
I'm sure I'll see where it is. I'm probably getting confused.
Yeah, you are. Because you're confusing me. I never know which way the battery's going.
There
There
we
we
go.
go.
It's the first way you have it.
No, it's not. Not pushing in. There you go. Right.
I didn't count how many times you turned your
No,
battery down.
yeah.
It's only one of these times.
So, the thing different is about this, it's touchscreen, but there's no record button here. But there is a record button on the screen. So, we'll see. And
There's no report.
and yeah, but it's not here where I'm used to.
Okay.
At least I won't be turning it off. And this is a bit better because it can go out a bit more. Hopefully it wouldn't be so. Right. Does it have juice? Yes. Here we go. Right.
So which mode are you in?
Auto.
Okay.
go to
That feels really stiff.
these.
Neither feel. You're not doing the bottom part?
Hmm?
Because you've got the top part, you've got the
Yeah.
bottom part.
Yeah.
Which one are you trying to do?
Top one.
Ah.
The video.
The video.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it has a record button. That's why I wanted a memory card so we can do a test, but
Stay calm.
shut up. Right. Oh, the battery's gonna die.
Ah, surprise, surprise, no
Yeah.
change there then.
So, mic jack, so look.
This is where you need nails, isn't it? Might be the right side. One moment.
And the good thing about this camera is it's not micro USB. Oh no! When I can get it off, it's Type C. Hang on.
I think it is right. But it'll be interesting to see if we need any adapters. Yeah, that's right.
Sweet. You panicked me then.
I'm just saying you can get 2.5 as well. That's the smaller version, and
It has a 4.2 zoom, so definitely not as good as this one.
is that optical or digital?
I assume it's optical. Yeah. I'm happy with that. Drop it. Don't drop it.
I'm guessing that's just at the zoom level,
Yeah.
or the focus maybe. That might be focused. That might be your exposure. It uses the same battery.
Yeah.
Does that one have the Wi-Fi switch on the side?
Don't think so. No, it doesn't. It has it on the. It has it where the record button is, I think.
The HDMI. I wonder if this one actually records like outputs as well as recording.
Maybe.
Probably not. I know. That is rather annoying when you're trying to press the button.
Is it?
It's like right in the way when you're trying to. I don't know. Click on that.
Pass me that. Pass me that battery and we'll
Right to the next video.
Fine.
Right. So, what's your quick first looks and review of it? Like, just a very because you haven't looked into detail.
It's very good. I like it. I hope it will improve our quality. The main reasons why I got it is because of 4K and the mic jack.
Like I say, 4K will take longer to upload. And all that.
Yeah, but it doesn't really matter, does it?
No, it's just as long as you're aware.
Yeah.
We'll let Shaun mess around with it a little bit.
I need to upgrade the software.
Yeah.
In my
We'll let Shaun upgrade the software, probably with a better battery in there first, and then we'll have a little quick play around with it, and then in the next video we'll do a quick review once you know a bit more about it, rather than trying to find things out and then trying to explain them. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Goodbye.
Bye guys.